What's up, guys? It's your boy Shane, and today, guys, I got this exclusive video for you guys. This is about Forex, otherwise known as the foreign exchange market. And today, guys, you're gonna be witnessing me breaking down my trade and taking my profits on AUD USD. That's the Australian dollar versus the US dollars. You're gonna see how I made $450 swing trading this pair in this video. So right now you guys clearly see that the market is going against me. I am down 200 and about $10 right now, and all my positions are in the red right now. I am selling this pair right now, and during this video you're gonna see the whole process, me being negative to me being positive. I was in the negative because I was just looking for selling opportunities on the charts, because I know the bank was going to be coming out with their interest rate decisions. And on this file, on this next section of the video, you clearly see that I am in profit now, up about 300 and some change. You clearly see those are all my positions up here, and I am going to be going down on breaking down the charts so you guys could clearly see how I won this trade and how I swinged it to be in profit. So right now I'm killing the market. I'm up 300, almost 400. I am up $367 right now, and I'm all in profit. All my positions are in profit right here, as you clearly could see. So with Forex, guys, you just need to be patient, and you just need to know your support and resistance levels. So now in this next section, you clearly see I am up 428, almost $30 right now. Look at the position, look at the portfolio. Everything is in the green right now. I took a sell position, and this was I played this, I think, from October, I think it was October 26 or October 27 that I took this trade, and I closed my profit on last Wednesday, I think it was Wednesday morning. So now this is where I closed the 450, and I took that profit home, took that to the bank. That's on the 15-minute. I'm gonna close that out for you guys so you could clearly see how I took my profit. Those are all my positions, and this is where I wanted to get out in the market, down at this blue line where you see the buy limit. That was my target to get out, but I was like, I already got the 450, let me just get out and chill for the rest of the week. So I'm gonna close this position out for you. So you can see all my positions are in the green. They are positive. This is a live account. This is real life money. This is not any demo account, or I'm trying to play any dumbass. This is a live account, and this is live money that I'm going to be taking out right in front of your eyes, so you can clearly see. I'm not trying to sell you guys a course or anything like that. I'm going to close that out, take my trade, and then I'm out. So I'm going to jump into the charts so you guys could see. So let's hop in, log in to the charts, and I'm going to break it down for you guys so you could clearly see what I was talking about. So now this is the AUD USD chart, and we're going to be breaking this down. So there we go, guys. So let's hop in. Let me go all the way out for you guys so you guys could see. So that's how the monthly is looking. Let's look at the weekly. Going on the weekly, you see that over the last week we had a nice decent sized red candle, which was helped by the interest rates from the banks, from the major banks across the world. They didn't raise their interest rate, so that pushed the Forex prices down. Like all the pairs that are trading against the dollar, they had a drop and the dollar had a rise, and you could clearly see that on all the charts. All the pairs that are going against the dollar, they take a loss over the past week, and I enjoy some of that profit. And now I'm gonna show you and teach you how you can have some of those profits as well. So clearly on this chart, we're gonna be jumping into the daily in a second or two. So clearly on the chart right now, guys, you could see that we have this nice red candle closing out on the weekly. So let's dig down into the lower time frame and see if we're going to get any push down to these levels, to the 700 levels. And we went close to that a few weeks ago, so let's see if we're gonna get any momentum down to push it downwards. So let's look into the daily and see what we have going on the daily. So on the daily, guys, you clearly see that the downward trend was taken in effect. So let me zoom this out so you can see what I see on the charts right here, guys. So these were the levels where I was putting in my sell orders, right at these levels where I put my sell orders in. As I showed you in the video earlier, that's why I was down $210, because I was putting orders for sell in at these levels. These are the levels. So you clearly see that we had this huge engulfing candle on the daily, which helped to put me in profit. This was the day that the RBA, the Australian bank, they came out and they notified that they're not going to be raising interest rates, and that pushed the price down. I think it was 1.27% on that day, and from then we just continue the downward trend. So I had all my sell position, because I know this was coming. I already saw it in the market, so I was just waiting for the decisions to come out. So that's why I was patient with my position, and I was holding the bag, holding the $200 loss. I was holding the position, and I was adding as it kept going against me, because I know rejection was at these levels right here, because rejection was at these levels over here on this side on the charts. So anything happen on the left will likely happen on the right. That's how the charts work, guys. So you clearly see that the downward trend took a nice move, and I had some nice gains for that 450. So let's look at the 8 hour and see where we are, because we did find support. Let me show you. We did find support right below this level right here. We did find some support right at the 740 level. So we did have a close below that level though, but we found support. The buyers stepped in and they held the price right above this level. So let's see if this week on the Australian dollar US dollar chart, if we're gonna have more selling pressure, which is gonna push the price down back to 730 level. Let's see. Let's jump into the 8 hour and see how we're looking. So in Forex, guys, you're gonna have major drawdowns, you're gonna have major uptrend. So if you can't stomach being in the red, I don't see you having any longevity in the Forex market. So right now this is on the 8 hour, and you see over the past, I would say, day, there has been a lot of selling on the 8 hour time frame. So you clearly see that price is on the downward trend, and it found some support at 735 level for the Australian dollar and the US dollar. So let's see if this week, starting later on today, if the bears are gonna push the price down to the 730 level, because it's not too far away, or let's see if the bulls are gonna buy the price up and push it to retest 745 level. That's on the 8 hour time frame. So I'm looking for some buyers to come in and push the price back up above 740 level, maybe to test 750 for some retracement before we see a next leg down. But knowing this market is very, very volatile, and it can move very, very fast and very, very quick. So trading Forex is about psychology and being patient and knowing your levels on the charts and not risking too much, and just enjoy your time. Don't really stress about it. The market is a nice place to be if you don't overcomplicate it. And it took me a while to start get it going because I'm new to trading. I've been in the game for a year now, so I have nice experience of how the market move, and this is the only pair I really trade. This is the pair that I like. So looking at the 4 hour, we clearly see that some buyers stepped in once the price came all the way down to 735 level. So you clearly see that the price was bought back up by the bulls, and they bought it back up to 740 level where it's currently trading right now. So let's see if it's gonna continue the upward trend to the 745 level, or let's see if the bears are gonna continue this downward spiral on the AUD USD. Considering the Feds came out, the Federal Reserve, Jay Powell came out a few days ago, and they came out with their stance on interest rate and how they're gonna start their tapering in this month, and that clearly put some selling pressure on the AUD USD, and that clearly put some buying momentum for the dollar. And you clearly see that if you take a look at the dollar chart, you're going to see that the dollar have been on the upward trend. So anything that go against the dollar should be on the downward trend right now, and the dollar is currently looking strong going into the future, especially with the news that's coming out for the dollar. So that's on the 4 hour. Let's see when the market opens if we're going to continue the upward trend on the 4 hour with the buyers stepping in. So right now price is currently sitting at a resistance level right here, which is 7400. So let's see if we're going to break out of that and test the next resistance at 745 on AUD USD. Let's see how that's going to play out coming in the next day or two. So right now, if I see good news coming out and if I see strong buyers stepping in, I might just analyze this chart again and make another move, and I'll definitely let you guys know if I make a move or not. So that's how I made $450 swing trading the AUD USD pair. And if you guys are interested in learning how to trade Forex and how the market move and what moved the market and levels you need to know about, and if you guys need any help understanding Forex and how does it work, you can definitely like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's gonna wrap it up, and I will see you guys in the next video, in the next banger, in the next episode. And I hope you have a good trading week, and stay locked in, stay on them goddamn charts, and keep your grind up and keep your mindset right, and just grow and move toward the next level. And I'll definitely check you guys out in the next one. Peace, take care, and I'll see you guys.